everybody, welcome. It's Friday the 13th. We have a Burlington Northern Santa Fe going eastbound. That one snuck up on me. It really did. Just sitting in the car, drinking a pop. Decided to go look, and all of a sudden, I thought I was going to be late. All right, let's flip around, check out the other side. Oh yeah, that's nice. No wobbling cars. Yep, this is our first real snowfall here in Spokane Valley. Couldn't believe it. It's really late. Should have had a lot of snow by now. Well, we did get something. Sure seems like I get more eastbounds than I get westbounds. That's all right. Well, I want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing. Do I ever appreciate that? Yep, I do the same thing. When I see something I really like, I subscribe and I like. And there's the end. .781, our end locomotive. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow. Not bad. All right, everybody. I think I'm going to stay here and wait for another one. Probably be another eastbound. Well, everybody, we got the weekend. Haha, we made it. All right, everybody. Take care. This is Bill, and I'm out.